friends, happy Saturday. Forgot to grab my plate before I hopped on here. I just got done painting with my subscription box members, and now I'm working on cutting orders, so you can probably hear the machine. I have a funny project that I'm working on tonight. Hey Joe. I have an uncle that likes to order birdhouses, but I haven't been able to find any big birdhouses. We went to the dollar store the other day and they had these little mini birdhouses, and I had to get them. So I'm gonna send them to him and just tell him like they shrunk. So hopefully he likes my joke, but I'm still gonna paint them cute for him. They're just not really what he wants. He wants regular size ones. And I got Buddy down here building boxes for me, so got lots. Huh? You wanna say hi? I'm gonna turn you guys around real quick. See if I can. I can't find you. Oh, there you are. He says hello, friends. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna do these in funky colors. So let's do. I'm gonna do a lime green and a blue, I think. I'll do some different color pink ones, and I don't know what we're gonna do on the other one. Happy Saturday. Hello, hello. Where did I just put? Here we go. Like I said, I just got done painting with my subscription box members. Do you guys want to see what we painted, what our kit was this month? Hold on, I'll go grab it. So it goes along with our bee theme for the month, so we painted this tonight live. And our group, isn't that cute? I think it turned out super cute. All right, here we go, friends. I'm gonna do, I don't know, I think these ones are going to be hard to paint even because they're so small. Let's do this one in, I'm going to do this one in green and blue. Oh yeah, it gets cold down here.
It ain't the warmest down here, is it?
It's not. Could you do me a favor before you start doing that, bud? Could you grab me 8, I think I need 8 of the little plastic bags that I shrink wrap in, my shrink wrap bags. So I'm just gonna do green, I think, on my house part.
1, 2, these, right?
Yeah, 8 of them, please. You can just set them right there, it's perfect.
Basically
Thank
manager,
you.
guys.
You're basically the manager?
Yeah.
He thinks he's the manager.
Okay, how many did I have? I lost track.
8 of them. I don't know what you give me so far.
Okay, I got 1.
Hey, Brandy. Hi, Melissa.
I'll give you 3. 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hopefully he likes these. And obviously they're just a joke because I don't know. There's going to be some tiny little birds that get on here, but
Maybe like some chickadees.
I'm doing good, Susan. How are you? Thank you so much for sprinkling, Melissa. Oh my goodness. I cannot talk straight. My parents came and kidnapped me tonight, and they said we were going to ice cream, but they took me to dinner and ice cream. So I'm super stuffed. Good. Hey Debbie. Thanks for thanks for sprinkling, Brandy. Press, what have I told you about saying the names? There's multiple people with the same name. You gotta chill.
Okay. 1.
Alright, so here's the start of my mini birdhouse. And again, these are just as a joke to my uncle that wanted to order big birdhouses. I painted him big ones last year, but I haven't been able to find any good ones yet this year. So when I found these at the dollar store, I absolutely had to order them.
Orders if you want them.
Buy them, I didn't order them. Preston just pointed out that I spoke wrong again. Excuse me. He loves to point out when I make mistakes. Because he's so perfect.
6.
Dude, if it was going to take you that long, I would have just told you to grab me a stack. I mean, it's not got to be that precise.
It's going to be precise. I'm not going to have too many, and I'm not going to have too little.
I'm going to do do a blue roof with my little green. Brandy said, happy birthday, Preston.
Thank you, Brandy.
I don't know if you can hear him, but he said thank you.
6, 7.
There's still a little bit of green on this brush because I didn't rinse it, but I kind of like the little, I don't know if you can see it. It's giving it like a little ombre effect right on the very edge there. And I kind of like it, so I'm going to leave it.
I might have 9 or 10, I don't know.
That's all right. That's perfect. Thank you so much.
It's like smoke.
It's not smoky. Just cleaned it.
What's all these?
Mm-hmm. All right. Then once I get them painted, I might do like some fun polka dots or something on them too. So here's this. I need to paint underneath there, I think. Preston's birthday's on Monday. We're having his party tomorrow, but his actual birthday's on Monday. All right, I'm gonna do a darker green on the very bottom, make it look like a little yard for my birdies. I put way too much paint on this plate. There you go. Got about 40 seconds. What? Susan said happy early birthday, Preston.
Thank you, Susan.
He said thank you.
I will comment thank you to everyone who says it.
Yes, you will. You're a sweetheart, aren't you?
Yeah. How many of these do you need?
Only 3 of those. Thank you.
Yep.
All right, so there's my house so far. It looks like it's on a little, oh wait, I want to paint this little thing. It's not done yet, but I have to take a quick break with you guys. Let me pull you guys over here.
Oh, yep. I can get in the video for this. I can help.
You're gonna help?
Yep.
Watch your fingers.
This, we're going to keep.
Yep, we'll keep this.
I'll keep
You
this.
can stick it underneath that over there.
That's what I was just going to say.
We're working on getting some 14 candles this year, Susan. Yep, that's all garbage. You can toss all that for me. 14 candles. I don't know where the time has gone. It's all right. He's just helping me get stuff off the laser here. No, let's not do that. And for a quick second, but I don't want to sit in here.
Don't.
It's not that hard to walk over there. Thank you. All right, and then, hey, I'm gonna,
Probably honestly put this over there too.
that one can go over there too, yeah. I'm gonna push send on this next one and have you go start it for me again, okay? So let me see, we got
Busy, busy
DIY
boy.
wagon.
I said
And
busy
yes,
boy.
I heard you, Preston. Where'd my mouse go? All right, as soon as it flashes, you can push the button for me. Hello, Monica from Texas. How are you? All right, so there's my first little mini birdhouse minus. I didn't do the little bird stand yet. I wanted to paint this blue. See if I can do it without making a mess.
These are these orders. Do you need the big boxes or the pizza boxes?
Just those ones.
Okay.
Yeah, I think just those ones. All right, there we go. Now I'm happy with it. We'll probably put some like polka dots or stripes or something fun on there in a minute, but that's our first birdhouse.
Stack these too.
Yeah, that's fine. And now I'm gonna paint this one. Thank Thank you, Monica. I think you hopped on after we started. So my uncle bought some birdhouses from me last year, and he sent them all over to his friends and family. And he wanted me to paint some more for him this year, but I haven't been able to find any regular birdhouses. So I was at the Dollar Tree the other day, or whatever you call it now, and they had these, yeah, the $1.25 store. They had these little mini birdhouses, and I thought, oh my God, I have got to get those and send them to him just as a joke. I'll paint him real ones when I can find them, but I think he is gonna crack up when he sees these, when he gets these in the mail. All right, so this one's gonna be different shades of pink. Let's do a different brush here. Hey, Barbara. Do my darker pink for my roof. I got Preston helping me out down here. We're building boxes and cutting orders. We got about 7 more kits to cut, or 6. I think we got 6 kits left to cut. So we are multitasking. And I'm taking the rest of the weekend off, so any orders that come through, I guaranteed Monday or shipments for any orders before noon yesterday, so. And these ones I have to get out.
Happy Mail too.
Yeah, you can stick those on there.
I get it all done.
These are not as hard as I thought they were going to be. I thought they'd be super hard to paint because they're so tiny, but they're actually not bad. So there's what I have so far. I am going to rinse this because I'm going to a lighter pink next. Alright, dude. There's some spots on these that are covered in glue that are just not letting me paint over them, but that's alright. Because, like I said, it's just for a joke anyways. Oh no. But I do think he'll enjoy my joke. I think that it's going to be pretty funny. I think I decided I'm going to do purple on the bottom and then purple little pegs on this one. It's going to be just all girly colors. Anybody else crafting or doing anything fun tonight? Really, I'm just filling time while I'm working on orders, because that's what we're doing, is working on orders.
Just thought it'd be fun to go live again.
Yeah, I just figured I'd come on here live with you guys and chit chat while I do all the different things. Alright, I need more of this pink, and it's getting in my blue, which is causing purple, so that's alright too, I guess. Isn't that cute?
It's looking really cute.
Thank you.
Why does that look really
Here's the first one I did.
So Mom, I know it looks really cool.
What?
Those spindles and that birdhouse, maybe make them yellow.
I'm gonna do this one purple. But maybe we can do something with yellow on the next one. We've got one more house I gotta do after this.
Probably.
This one's just gonna be all girly. I am gonna paint
There's 2 more boxes. I'm doing 8 of each of them.
underneath this one.
Should I do 8 of each one, or is that going to be too many?
Just stack them. You won't know until you start stacking them and see where they end up. I need 3 of them up here. And the rest of them you can stack. Alright, there's that. And then I'm going to get out a little purple. I'm gonna do this light purple lilac mist.
Somebody ordered a lot of pizza.
Yep, that's what it looks like, huh?
They really do. It just looks like that. Two.
I hope that he likes this joke. I think that he will get a good kick out of it, but
He'll like it. He loves jokes.
I know he does. I think it's perfect, but you never know. Hopefully he knows that it's just a joke. I'm sure he will. I just don't want him thinking that I actually am sending him these as real birdhouses for him to give away to his friends.
Your order boxes are fulfilled.
Thank you. All right, what color should we do the last birdhouse? I got green and blue on the one. Then I got pinks and purple on this one.
Orange and black.
I don't think orange and black. Spring colors, think spring.
Yellow.
Yellow and what?
Black.
No, spring colors. Black is not a spring color.
Yellow.
So there's my little girly birdhouse.
Yellow is lavender.
I don't know. Let me see.
There's all sorts of different colors, guys.
Let's do this one. Let's do one in the like our Caribbean colors.
Okay.
This one will just be blues. So let's see here. I have got Acapulco, Laguna, and then an Admiral Blue. And I think I'm going to try to do all these ones. Let's see how this turns out. Let's see. I think I've got to get up and change my laser out again. We do.
You're gonna turn them that way again?
It's cooling down. All right, here we go. I'm going to take you guys with me over here while I change this out.
That's enough
Here,
boxes.
we put this one back over there. Thank you. Yeah, that's perfect. If you stack them up to there, that's great. Where did my other wheel go? Is the wheel stuck in there? Grab that back out. I think there's a wheel stuck in there. Here, I have it. Thank you. I lost a wheel.
Never in my life had that happen.
Yeah. I have a few times. Hello, Roberta. Okay, I need you to help me with this again. Here. Don't worry if it falls on the floor. I'm not worried
We got a
about it.
vacuum for it.
Actually, this is what I got the vacuum for, and I don't know why I'm not using it. It's alright. I got them stuck in here, darn it. Okay, you go do your thing. You're in my way. Thank you.
I can get it out.
Move your fingers. You just keep putting your hands in the way.
Caught that one. Well,
All right, I'll get this lined up for the next one. Hi, Jackie. So we did our second wagon kit. Now we're gonna work on some baseball inserts. Let me get the file pulled up.
yep.
We'll get back to our painting in just a second, friends. All right, baseball. Insert. Bees, bees, bees. Where'd my baseball go? You gonna push my button for me, or do I have to?
I get it.
Okay, should be ready in just a second. All right, so far we've got our little pink girly house, our blue and green house, and then this one's gonna be just done in different blues. And I'm gonna grab new paintbrushes so I don't have to wash the ones that I'm working with so far. I need a different plate, I think. Thanks, bud.
Welcome. I heard you stuff myself.
I don't know, hopefully this one turns out cute. It's gonna have a light blue. I think it'll be all right. And then I'm gonna add like some stripes and polka dots and different things on them just to make them a little bit more fun. And I'm gonna package them up and ship them off to my uncle. Huh? What? They're not gonna fit in those boxes, but they will fit in boxes. I didn't say I was putting them in those. Child thinks he knows everything.
You do?
Yeah, I've got it under control, thank you.
They got boxes up. Boxes galore.
All right, Preston, enough, thank you. I've been multitasking all day. I did my CE class for work today for 3 hours, and I sat down here and I scheduled my emails. Did you cut yourself?
Yeah, that did not feel good either.
All right, well, you better go get a Band-Aid if you cut it.
I don't know if I cut it. Yes, I did.
Go get a Band-Aid.
That is a cardboard cut.
There's Band-Aids in the bathroom. Don't go digging through my pile. Or my cabinet, I mean. Alright, so that one's a light blue. I like that blue. And then I'm going to do... I'm going to do Laguna on the roof, and I'm just going to dip right back in there because it's a darker blue. And then I'm going to do the darker blue on the bottom and probably on the little... I don't even know what you call it, the little stoop thing that the bird sits on. Probably covering myself in paint tonight. I think these look fun and like tropical. If I was a bird, I would totally go to these little houses. Hello, Angela. Alright, let's see if we can do our edges and underneath without making a mess on the light blue. I forgot I was going to try to just go live on my YouTube tonight instead of here. And I didn't think about it, so I'll have to try that a different night. I'm super close to my goal over there, so if you're not following me yet or whatever, subscribed to my channel yet over there, go do that. I need to hit 100 so I can change my URL to match the rest of my stuff.
Those are worse than paper cuts.
Yeah, they're not very fun. Sorry, dude.
You did?
Yeah, I don't want to see it. I know, those are gross. They hurt. Gross me out. Did you get any stuff on it or no?
No, it's just a cardboard.
Well, you don't have to. I was asking if you did or didn't. No. Thank you. There we go, our little darker roof. I don't know if I want to put this darker blue on here. I'm going to. I'm going to stay committed to it. If there's any left in here. I have got to go to the craft store. That's part of your birthday shopping. We're going to the craft store on Monday.
What one?
I don't know.
Good enough to go to Michael's?
Nah, I don't think we'll go to Michael's. Maybe though. Do you want to go to Michael's? It's your birthday.
Well, we can go to Michael's this week.
Well, I don't want to not feel good for your birthday dinner, so maybe we should just stay close to home. Because otherwise, if I get sick during the day, then I won't be able to go to your birthday dinner.
I cut myself earlier, but hit my hand on the jump trailer. Then I just cut myself with a cardboard.
Sounds to me like you gotta pay attention, dude.
When I picked it up, it sliced right against my hand.
Alright. There's what it looks like so far. I'm gonna put the dark blue up here as well. And then I'm gonna get out my little dabbers or whatever you want to call them and do some polka dots on some of these and put some stripes on some of them because I love stripes and polka dots. Okay, so there's this one. We'll grab my little dabbers. Painted these ones first. I'm gonna do polka dots for sure on this one. I think I'm gonna do them in a light pink.
Okay, I just went to the basement door. I don't know if that was Papa or the dog.
Probably pink and purple actually. Let's do this. And do pink. Some little polka dots. I'm gonna put some purple ones on there too. Upstairs.
Cleaned it up twice now. She broke the toys. Plus kind of stuff.
All right, bros, chill out. Once you've said something once, you can let it go. All right. Alright, polka dots on this roof. I feel like it needs something else. Hold on, there's another one back here. So there's that one, but then this one's gonna need another one somewhere too. Let's do so there we have it, our pink one. Hey, Sue. And then I'm gonna do, not polka dots, let's do some stripes on this one maybe. Hopefully this turns out okay and I don't ruin it.
Yeah. I don't think it will go these three. Yeah, there's more boxes here than I needed.
Stripes on this one. I'm gonna carry them forward. I guess I better just do that right now. You guys hear my laser over there? I don't know why it's being so loud right now, but
Must be cutting instead of edging.
yeah, I think it just switched from scoring to cutting. Alright.
Boxes are replenished.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You put all my stickers on them too?
Yes.
You're the best. A little bit. Hey, Becky.
I will get 3 of these.
I'm doing good, Stu. How are you? Yeah, 3 of those. Thank you so much. You can start putting those in packages. You see how they're separated right here? Are you paying attention to me?
I'm gonna close this back up. Oh, those. Yeah.
You can put them in the plastic, so that all goes together, and then that other group goes together. And then I can shrink wrap them here in just a second.
Too bad.
All right, so there's my blue one, and I give it a striped roof, and obviously it's hand painted, so it is not perfect. And then what can we do on this one? We did stripes, we did polka dots, stripes. Let's see. Or I could just leave this one plain. It's fine too. Good, I'm glad that you're doing good. Let's see how much longer we got on this kit. 4 more minutes. Let's do, ooh, I got pink on this house. I gotta quit touching everything. I'm spreading my paint all around. Let's see if I can fix
There's only
it.
4 tires each.
Yeah. Yep, just leave it like that and then stick the other one together for me, please. And then, I don't know, I think I'm just gonna leave this one plain. So here we go. We've got a green and a blue one. Pink with polka dot roof. And then we got blues with a striped roof. And these, if you're new on here, are being sent to my uncle as a joke. I painted birdhouses for him last year and he wanted more. He gives them to his friends and family that live there. He is in Tennessee. And I can't find any birdhouses to paint yet. So I found these at the dollar store the other day and I had to pick them up because I think it'll be a funny joke. So no. Leave it right here. I didn't ask you to do that. Thank you.
You take it over there and do it.
I'm gonna do it right here, thank you. So anyways, thanks for painting with me. I'm gonna get these boxed up and mail them off to my uncle and hopefully he likes our joke. But I hope you guys have a great weekend and we will talk to you soon. Bye everybody.
Bye, guys.
Bye.